The universe, as we know it, might be hiding secrets far beyond our imagination. Recent discoveries by the James Webb Space Telescope are challenging everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. What if our universe's story is not as simple as a Big Bang? What if there was something before? Something that still affects us to this day? The James Webb Space Telescope has been giving us a front-row seat to the most distant parts of our universe. And just when scientists thought they had a good grip on how galaxies formed, Webb shattered those expectations. Today, we're diving into some of Webb's most mind-boggling findings, including galaxies that shouldn't even exist in the early universe, and a monstrous black hole that formed when the cosmos was only a fraction of its current age. Some scientists are even wondering if these discoveries could mean the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all. Could our universe be one chapter in an eternal cosmic cycle? To understand the significance of Webb's discoveries, let's start with what we've always believed. According to our current cosmological models, the early universe was a place of small, simple structures. Galaxies were in their baby stages, barely big enough to hold much mass or complexity. The idea was that galaxies, like everything else, would grow over billions of years by pulling in gas and merging with other galaxies. But Webb has already discovered at least 6 galaxies that defy these expectations. These galaxies, formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, are far too massive for their age. They already contain up to 100 billion solar masses, similar to our own Milky Way. Think about that for a second. It's like seeing a newborn who's already the size of an adult. How could this happen? Where did all the mass come from so quickly after the universe began? These questions are flipping cosmology on its head and challenging everything we thought we knew about the formation of galaxies. But that's not all. In one of these galaxies, Webb has also detected something truly astonishing, a colossal black hole with a mass over 1 billion times that of our Sun. And here's the kicker, this black hole formed when the universe was only about 770 million years old. To put that in perspective, that's like the universe being in its early toddler years and already housing a monster that usually takes billions of years to form. Experts are stumped. Black holes aren't supposed to grow this fast. Normally, they accumulate mass gradually, pulling in gas and dust from their surroundings, forming a bright, swirling accretion disk that emits massive amounts of energy. But this process has its limits. Radiation pressure from the intense energy actually slows down the rate of material falling in, so black holes can only grow so fast. So how did these early black holes get so big, so quickly? Some astronomers think there could be a different feeding mechanism at work, one that we don't understand yet. Others wonder if perhaps there's some hidden factor, like the effects of dust, making these objects appear more massive than they really are. With each new discovery, scientists are starting to wonder, have we been looking at the universe's origins all wrong? The Big Bang theory, which suggests the universe exploded into existence from a single point about 13.8 billion years ago, has been our leading model. But it comes with its own set of mysteries and contradictions. According to the Big Bang theory, everything in the universe was packed into an infinitely dense point. Yet this idea clashes with the uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics, which says we can't have such an extreme level of precision in nature. Einstein's theory of relativity also struggles with singularities, or infinitely dense points. These unresolved contradictions have led some scientists to explore alternatives to the Big Bang. One of the most intriguing alternative models is called the Big Bounce. Instead of a single explosive beginning, this theory suggests that the universe goes through cycles of expansion and contraction, a constant cycle of big bangs followed by big crunches where the universe collapses back into itself before bouncing back into a new expansion. In this model, what we see as the beginning of our universe could actually be the latest chapter in an endless cosmic cycle. Imagine a universe that ends, only to birth a new one, over and over again, each cycle creating new galaxies, stars, and black holes. There's also another idea that's been gaining traction, one that's just as mind-blowing. Some scientists think our universe might actually have been born from inside a black hole. According to this theory, the intense gravity of a black hole could compress matter to a point where it's forced into a new universe, separated from the one it came from by the event horizon. Think of it as a cosmic seed planted in the core of a black hole, growing under unimaginable pressure until it pops and forms a new universe. This idea suggests that our own universe could be part of a larger multiverse, with each universe linked to the next through black holes. With each new discovery, the story of our universe gets richer and more complex. Are we part of an endless cycle of universes? Did we emerge from the depths of a black hole? And if our universe did have a beginning, is it possible that we're still missing a huge part of the story? Let us know what you think in the comments. Are we on the verge of a scientific revolution that will change our understanding of reality itself? Don't forget to hit subscribe and join us as we explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious.